Hey, what's up, guys? This is me again, fixing my goddamn car, fixing the compressor. It was a fucking mess to take out. I had to take all those panels off. You'll see what I was dealing with. I don't know if you guys can see it in there, but I'm sorry, guys. In there was dirty as hell. All of the junk, all that shit came out through there. Check this shit, guys. All of this shit, I took it out of the fan. No wonder the AC wasn't working. So right now, time to put everything back together. And yeah, this is me working at night. There's the box. There's the other stuff. There's the pan on the back. A bunch of shit I have to put on. So hopefully it'll be ready when I put back everything together. Alright, guys. This is how it looks lowered. It's not that bad. Alright, guys. Keep you posted. Bye.